Hello and welcome back. Let's take a look at this lesson titled Variables. Variables in simple terms help us store information or values. Think of this like a container which we store stuff in. In PHP, variables needs to always start with the $sign. It can contain words or in programming terms strings, which we will take a look at soon. It can also contain numbers and underscores. The only thing to note is you cannot start a variable with a number. Also, certain keywords are reserved, so you can use that as a variable. An example is the this keyword. Let's take a look at a few examples. So I'm guessing your server is already on. We'll skip this from now. And I'll open up my VS Code. I'll get rid of all this. Good. So let's start. As I explained earlier, it needs to start with the $sign. And now let's type name. We are giving this variable a name, which I will store my name. So I'll put this equal to my name. I'll just use Robert Sapon. And don't forget your semicolon to end it. And let me add two more. This will be my gender, which I will set to male. And let's have a last one. Let's use a number. So I'll say favorite number, which I will set to 3. And now if you notice this is the name variable we created, which I set to name, which I put in quotes. Same with the gender, but with the number I didn't use quotes because this are called string, which I said I will explain later. So for now, let's print out all these values which are stored in these variables. So as usual, let's use echo. So echo, I'll type a sentence. My name is, and instead of writing my name, I've stored it in this name variable. So I'll just type name. I hope it's not too confusing. And then I'll say I am, instead of male, I've stored that in this variable called gender. So I'll type gender. And my favorite number is, and you can guess, I'll just type fav number. And don't forget our semicolon to end everything. So as you notice, you can see VS Code is recognizing that this is different from a string. You can see it's blue in color. Let's save this for now and see if everything is working fine. So I'll refresh this. I'm in my test folder and you can see it says my name is Robert, I am male, and my favorite number is 3. Let's dive deeper and understand more of this in the upcoming lessons.